Hello, everybody. My name is Ken, and I am the host of the Ikwanas Tahab, the Brevin of Golden English. And today we are talking about Ramadan, Ramadan, Ramadan. And the Holy Quran, it talks about how in the holy months of the Islamic calendar, fighting is strictly prohibited. Now, there are two things I hope to achieve this Ramadan. Number one, I want to hope deep in my heart that within the constraints of the Islamic faith, at the very least, that there is no more fighting and there's no more infighting or destruction inwardly or internally left in our spaces. And we get to enjoy this holy month of Ramadan together. Second of all, in the contradictory sense, I want to acknowledge the nature of difference and the nature of the other. And by doing that, I wanted to invite you all to something. The Iguanas Hub is proud to invite y'all to the first ever Ramadan 2026 daily upload, once every single day upload of our own version of Tarawih. Tarawih, if anyone is not familiar, is an Islamic ritual done during. It's a Sunni ritual. I'm pretty sure Shiites don't do Tarawih, but I could be wrong. But it is the Sunni Islamic ritual, and where after the fifth prayer of Salah, the Isha prayer, one recites the Quran sanctioned off into these laterally divided sections called parat or juz. So what happened is the imams will read these additional kind of like sections to the Quran every single day. So the Quran can be broken up into 30 paras or 7 manzil. Like I said, these were not a part of the original manuscript, but they were literally added to um, basically gauge out how you could read it in a week or in a month. And our version of Taraweeh is we will be reading the most foundational book to understanding the occult and the Islamic faith, and that is the Guide al Hakim or the Picatrix in Latin. Now, I've done my own little paras of adjusting this. The Guide al Hakim has roughly 300 pages, and every day in Ramadan, I will be reading at least 10 pages of the Guide al Hakim to make it so I can do a reflection for every single day of Ramadan and have y'all understand by the end of it what exactly it means to be grounded in this tradition. I had a meaningful live stream where people told me that it looks like I'm going off my own opinions. And my hope at studying the Guide to Hakim at the end of this is to show that there's a meaning beyond just my own opinions. Thank you.